morning, Miss S. Thank you for taking the time to see me today. As you are aware, you were referred to me by Dr. N to go over your assessment with you. If you have any direct questions or concerns, please feel free to address them. As you can see in the first page, we have taken the time to look at your history and facts that have been gathered on behalf from you. This also includes different exams that you have had along with experiences that you have had as well. Additionally, this page also addresses the reasons why you were referred here for services. Now on to the main portion of the report that I will cover the assessment areas covered in the assessment and the results. Through the assessment, 4 areas were covered. These areas are cognitive abilities, which means how you think and learn new things. Achievements, which means how you process success on learning something new. Information processing, which covers language and your attention span. Basically, your personality and your mood. Through the assessment and the results that were generated, we are able to find that your history of anxiety, depression, attention, concentration, and weakness in the math are consistent with the results from the assessment. The math showed that you may have been suffering from a disorder that has been occurring since childhood. The assessment indicated that you show signs of depressive mood and severe anxiety. Because of this, I feel that you may be able to provide some suggestions that will benefit you. Well, in regards to taking tests, try to take the test in a separate environment and allow more than adequate time to take the test, preferably double the amount of time. If the test permit it, ensure that you have a calculator with you for assistance. That will help as well. Ensure to take breaks as well for tests that are over a long period of time. Now, in regards to everyday life, I would say take breaks from any time, anything that is strenuous. Complete one task at a time prior to moving on to the new task. Ensure that you are distraction free. I would also say take notes. I suggest sticky notes of any important information when placing key materials such as keys, your purse, maybe your cell phone. Place them in the same spot every day to build up a habit and habit of organization. Okay, well, now, Ms. Smith, we're at the end of the report. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to address them with me. If you want to have a follow-up with a 1 hour appointment to go over progress or address any concerns that may arise, please don't hesitate to schedule an appointment. Once again, I do appreciate the time you have taken to sit down with me and go over your assessment. Thank you so much.